Alright, so it's my last day here, and I decided I might as well try to do some farm stuff. See if this life is suited for me. So I'm trying to milk a cow. For the first time in my life, guys. You're used to even carrying the baby, you're faster than me.
Yeah, I'm used to it.
Yeah.
And I've been walking like, we didn't have cars, so I've been walking like a pregnant up and down.
Oh my gosh.
So Sophia got used to it.
Yeah, it's easy for her.
Yeah.
Hello. The cow is doing what? Yeah, let's go. Привіт.
Привіт.
Hello.
То квіталя, а то манюня. Тут
Красиво.
треба доїти.
Okay. Hello, I'm here to milk you.
Софія.
Мене звати Johnny FD. Я теж. Я тут. Okay.
Хто показує?
Huh?
Ти вмієш?
No, but I can try.
Треба показати?
Можна. Okay, just gonna teach me first.
Дивіться. Так, зверху.
Ага.
Зверху. І
Окей.
тиснеш. Зверху. І тиснеш. Або
Ага.
можна отак.
Pull and pull.
Тиснути.
Okay. Дякую. Дякую.
Не бійся.
Oh my god. I can't even sit.
Опа! Помалу.
Okay. Oh, easy.
Джонні. Так,
Oh!
дай як...
Okay.
And then down.
And pull down, yeah. Do that and pull down at the same time.
Easy. It's like a small penis. Like a Russian guy's penis. Okay. Johnny's a professional. I work here.
You hired Johnny.
1 hour, 10 hryvnia. I do it. Guys, I'm gonna try double-handed, okay? Double fist. Okay. Just. Ooh. Ooh.
Корова в шоці.
Oops. Cool.
Ну, з голоду би не вмер.
Good job.
For my first time, not bad, yeah?
Yeah? Good job. No.
Nie mogę? Yeah, huh?
Та я вже...
Кажи, що
Oh, guys. Look at this from first-hand view.
How 1% after your money that you made?
Yeah, we can. Look, he's happy.
Італя.
He's okay. He just like doesn't mind. Oh, you know what? I do okay? Okay. Look, I want to show you my advanced technique. It's advanced.
Як це
Look,
робити?
just.
Права ліва.
Advanced, huh?
Добре, добре.
I agree. Okay. So I offered to finish it. I was like, you know what? I started the job. I'm going to finish it.
Yes.
And she's like, no. You're going to be here till the morning.
Yeah.
You're right.
So it's better leave it to professionals. But he
Okay.
did good job, so it's all
Yeah.
good.
For a first time, not bad, guys.
Now Vika will show you how to do it. How she does it.
Okay, let's take a look at the actual professional.
So see, like they wash the bucket and everything.
Oh wait, they threw away my milk?
Sorry, because it was just a training.
My milk was so bad they threw it away?
No, it was just a training, you know. And now look, it's gonna be quick and fast, and it's all good to go.
Okay.
See?
I'm so disappointed in myself.
No, you did a good job. Don't be.
Пане Скажи, що там його молоко, то продовжує зараз.
What's that?
He says that don't worry, it's like it's not like, you know,
It's just milk.
it's just milk.
Oh my god. She's so much faster.
Yeah, that's what
Bleistra.
Викло. Спину рівно.
Oh my god. Слишком Bleistra. Oh my god. It's already like 10 times as much as me.
That's why I gave you some, couple hours because
I thought I was doing good until now I thought I was doing good until I saw her.
it was doing good. But look at that, it's like she's a pro now.
Oh my god. Like it's already almost a quarter of the way now. Wow. Okay, so here's the other cow waiting. Actually, this is bull.
No, it's a cow.
Where? I did not see it.
She's a young cow.
Oh, so you can't milk her yet, yeah?
Not yet.
Okay. What about, can I milk this one?
Be that heavy.
I just realized that Morka came to hang out over here. And here's some little chicks. And some chickens. Bok, bok, bok. Bok, bok, bok. Here's meal.
They asked him if will you have a glass of milk after?
Yeah, I want to try it.
Yeah, you want to try?
Maybe I can just try it fresh, straight.
Yeah, so Vika will bring you some.
Okay.
It's like a big glass.
No small glass. Pizza salt.
No, small one.
Small. Pizza salt.
Маленький стаканчик.
Маленький, достатньо.
Вона якщо береться, всі там збере.
Oh my god. How? So fast. It's like a 5 minuto.
Може, Джон, може фото так, а ну, мені квіту не видно, а ну, будь ласка.
Okay.
О.
Okay. 1, 2. Got it. Oh, Morka came for the fresh milk. Morka, how it tastes? It's good? Morka. What Oh. This one also jest Malaco или limonada.
Limonada.
Нужно сукор.
Нужно цукор у лимонад?
Да, лимонад, нужно сукор.
Okay.
Okay.
Дякуємо, Віка.
Дякую. До побачення, папа. Oh, I want to taste this milk.
Yeah, she will bring it over because she has to strain it.
Ah,
So there is no anything
buttermilk
like-
and everything on it?
Yeah,
Okay.
and she will bring it in. She will
Okay.
bring it to our place.
Oh, I wanted to drink it just like this.
You want
I was almost going to drink it from the cat's thing.
No, damn it. Viko, він хоче тепер так робити. І ти за стаканом?
Ні, так каже, що треба процідити.
Like, she has like a special material.
Oh, I know. It's
And
like the new eggs. Wow. Дякую. Oh, it's warm.
Yeah. No, take it now. They give you for breakfast.
Oh, дякую for breakfast.
Ти
Завтрак.
процідитимо молоко.
I can try this.
А у бесідці нам почекаєте.
She will come with me over there and she will bring it over. She will bring you the pouring in like that.
Okay, дякую. Wow, guys, that was a cool experience. I honestly thought I was doing exceptionally well milking that cow.
Право, ліво.
I was like, I was even do it two-handed, got the rhythm going, and then she poured it out because it was so little that didn't matter. She was like, let me just start afresh. Oh, how funny was that, guys? It just shows life on the farm is not as easy as we think, as we see on TikTok, on YouTubes. But anyways, got my free eggs, and she's gonna bring over some strained milk. Papa. What is here? Oh, raspberries. They're ready. I'll put this in my pocket. Hope it doesn't break. No, it's okay. Need you. No, I didn't. Let's see. No. No. This one? Okay. Дякую. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Guys, fresh raspberries. Oh, sweet. Sladkaya. Let's see if Sophia likes it.
Sophie.
Yeah. Smacznego. She like?
Is it good raspberry? Is it good? She's thinking about
She's like, what is it? Show. A little bit sour, but she likes it.
Here. Yummy!
She doesn't understand it. She's like, what is it? It's not milk.
This is her first raspberry.
Oh, milk is ready. Okay, дякую.
Я помила руки, давай.
So, Sophia had her first raspberry just now. I'm gonna have my first glass of fresh Ukrainian milk from a cow. Ooh. It's good. Oh, say it over there. It's delicious, guys. It's very rich, though. And it's warm. Talk about milk mustache. Oh. Is that what milk's supposed to taste like?
That's how milk tastes, yeah?
Yeah, in America it doesn't taste like this.
Because it's full of, like
Yeah.
pasteurized and all stuff, other stuff that they put in.
This is better, guys. Come get some. Cheers to real farmer's milk. Hello, привет.
You have to chase him now.
Oh, I have eggs in my pocket. I have a glass of milk. Divide. Wie bitte? Mir magu.
You're gonna make omelette.
I know, in my pants. Guys, this is like the worst possible way to run and chase someone, boy. Here. Nah. Malaka? Hatiti?
He doesn't drink milk.
No? Why?
No, you can leave it there, Johnny, and then,
No, I want. I don't want to waste it. Oh. All right, guys. Oh, привет. Malako, yes. Oh, guys, I'm sadly gonna tap out, not finish this glass of milk. Firstly, because I'm lactose intolerant. And secondly, it's not gonna go to waste. No. It's my egg. And secondly, they promised that they would give it to the cat. It won't go to waste. Oh, haha. Well, Dobre Rako, good morning, guys. It's the next day, and today I'm back to my normal life, not being a farmer, because I was pretty bad, guys. Maybe Ukraine's the worst farmer. So even though I'm not cut out to milk cows, I'm pretty good at editing and eating. So this is what I'm doing, guys. Even though it's been a great 5 days here, it's time for me to go back to the city. So my friend Orest, who just happens to be in the Carpathians nearby, is going to come pick me up. We're going to go 4x4ing a little bit, and he's going to take me to the train station tonight. In a little town that I passed by called Slavivinsk or something, where, funny enough, I said, oh, it'd be nice to visit this place. At a town called Slavasko. It's beautiful. So I'll be going there. All right, I see Orest. Looks like he's found it somehow.
Oh yeah, there you go. You got it.
Easy.
Just chilling out here.
It looks like he's here.
Hey guys, what's going on?
He made it.
Is Orest here?
Yeah, he's here.
Oh, he made it down?
Yeah.
There he is. Nice.
Well, guys, thank you for hosting me. It's been really fun.
No problem, man.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
You're more than welcome to chill out for a few days when you need to relax.
Yeah, I appreciate it. And Sophie, I want to see you grow up, get big.
We always
Get strong.
will. And Sophia gonna be growing up fast.
He's very nice.
Yeah, he made it.
Hello.
Привет.
This is quite a spot.
Yeah. How would you drive?
Without four-wheel drive, that would not be possible.
Yeah, I know. That's why he bought this Jimny here.
You made it up the hill. That's awesome.
This is
Actually,
Orest.
I found
Ryan.
this place without those videos because I forgot to download them.
Orest, so you basically stay on that same road for about 3 kilometers, and then you'll pass this. You'll see this on your right side.
I went there like, okay, like maybe that road is going there. Anyway, I've got something for you.
Oh, what is it?
Oh! Roosevelt
Is it a fish flip flop or is it actual fish to eat?
It's a real fish. Roosevelt loves it.
Oh, nice.
Roosevelt loves it.
Bread is always useful here.
Oh yeah,
Thank
nice.
you.
Even though he makes good homemade sourdough. Oh, this is the most useful.
course this one.
Thank
Oh, nice.
you. That's very nice of you. Wow, you did.
Oh, that's the Ukrainian hospitality.
I wanted to ask what you need, but there is no signal in the village, so it's like,
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
not
okay.
too much. You're lucky if you get it.
Everyone needs fish. Well, come inside.
Yeah.
Brian just giving Orest a little tour.
okay, this is your bedroom.
Yeah. We're filling up the water jug just in case we get lost. Orest wants to take a back road, little adventure back. All right. So this is where Orest slept last night. He camped out, and he's having a coffee. And we're gonna head back. Bye bye, Sophie. Bye bye.
Sophie, bye.
Hi, Sophie. Oh,
Brian, thank you very much, buddy.
no problem, man. It's nice meeting you. It was a pleasure.
It's been fun.
You and Orest.
You're
Yeah.
ready for the next
Adventure.
section.
If
of
you're
the-
tired, I can drive.
Okay.
He likes to drive. Like he wanted to drive mine, so I don't
It was fun, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, it's been an adventure, guys. Time to go back to city life. But first, to get back, we need to go off-roading. All right,
You ready?
let's go. You ready for a 4x4 adventure?
Oh yes.
Let's go.
Let me tell something.
What?
What we're gonna try now is to get back to Lviv province, which means we'll have to cross the mountains. But we'll not use a regular roads. We'll take some direction where the new roads are supposed to be paved. So I'm very curious how it will happen. Stay with us and wish us luck, please.
I know, me too. At least we brought some water, guys, so we're okay. We'll survive. Papa. We made it. So, after a couple of checkpoints, a couple of driving, we are off the main road into the village. As you can see, the road turns. We're in
Oh,
quick.
shit.
But if this Mini Cooper can make it, we can also make it.
And now you have these potholes everywhere. And just for you to note, we are approaching a church. Just take a look how different it is. We just crossed the mountain pass,
Yeah.
and it already has absolutely different shape, as you see.
Yeah, this one looks a little bit more normal, orthodox.
Yeah. But that one in Transcarpathia, because the Transcarpathian province used to be under Hungarian influence for like 1,000 years,
Yes.
basically. Yeah? So it really affects the architecture there.
So that's more like a Hungarian style. Also old Hungarian, not even
Yeah,
that new
yeah.
one, yeah. this one looks also very different, like a really wooded, like something like out of some medieval book, you know. So we're just driving through another village, and I think it's a funeral here. Oh, yeah, the whole village came out for it. It's sad.
And on the carriage they carried the body.
Wow.
But an old person. He died.
He's old? Okay.
60, born in 63.
Oh,
So
okay.
basically it's what, like 60 years old.
Okay, so he had a good life. That's okay. And the village is 63 years old anyways.
Yeah.
Maybe just... It's so interesting, the street signs here have English and Ukrainian on there. I'm like, who is coming here that only speaks English? Driving their Lada, needing directions. Here's an example, guys. Here's an example. Zelena Street and Zolyanska Street. Why is it in English? Who here needs that? Besides me.
They prepared for you, Johnny.
Oh, thank you. Beautiful drive so far.
Yeah.
Really nice. So, if we wanted to, we could have just taken the road to Bizera, where Spar was, where these guys picked me up, and we would probably be halfway or more there. But we decided we wanted to enjoy the day, go for a little mountain drive, guys. So that's why we're in the middle of nowhere.
And I'm also just curious because I look on the map and I see that there might be a passage, you know? So it keeps me unsettled unless I go there and I figure out, is it possible to drive there or not? Sometimes this policy brings me into trouble, but what can I say?
Well, that's why he brought me along, just in case.
Yeah, somebody can push the car. Дай Боже, скажіть, будь ласка, в Славсько так заїдемо? Славсько. Там є дорога. Дорожанки, так. Попробуємо, дякую. Направо, так? Дякую.
So it's possible in the Jeep.
Yeah. So
She asked somebody on the phone.
she's like, can we pass to Slavsko? She's like, I don't know, like I never been there. And she was speaking on the phone at some time, and she asked like, hey, people ask you like, are they able to go to Slavsko or not? And they asked like, what is
kind
the
of car? Yeah.
So I told Jeep, but
Yeah.
in Ukraine,
Jeep just means 4x4.
Jeep means 4x4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this means Jeep. So and she's like, you can try.
Okay. We could try.
We are 900 meters above sea level.
Yes.
Just a second. Straight or left?
I hope it's not left.
I thought it's not left. Yeah. Okay, this is showing me that left.
Oh my god. Up there. Can't really see it. We were going to
Here I need to take a look. Yeah, this is getting
serious.
Getting serious here.
How deep is it? Alright guys, I'm just taking a little pee while he has to make this crazy U-turn behind me. Are you gonna go left or right? No, but this way? It looks like some people came up this road. I see tire tracks. Oh shit. Well guys, this is where we might have been stuck. Hopefully not, but there's a little branch there. He's stuck on the back. This is really muddy. These tires aren't very knobby. Well, at least I cleared it. Well, I think this might be the end of the road. Is this what we're gonna call it? Turn around. All right, I think this is it, guys. We tried, but it's better to fail here than to fail on top of the mountain. Yeah. It's a Kia 4-wheel drive system. Does it right, but you can see some of the wheels spin. I mean, it's probably not like a locking diff or something. Must be fun.
It looks like not many people use this road, right? It looks like it's only serving purpose for locals who live here. That's it. It doesn't look it somewhere, but let's hope.
Let's check it.
Pretty and so well maintained, right?
Yeah. But no people. Like, everyone's just taking a nap, or are they like? It's so weird, right?
Sunday, maybe they're visiting friends.
Our church. Oh, guys. Well, I always use the bathroom. I want to show you this beautiful view. Look at this log cabin house that's built here, and look at this. This is as beautiful as anywhere in the world. Like, I know the Swiss Alps are amazing, Yosemite is amazing, but this is just as beautiful. And people actually live in these villages. Like here, wherever you drive, people are just living out here. It's so nice. So, oh, we gotta ford the water. Yeah.
Maybe it's not here. Maybe along the river.
Oh my god. Alright. Oh, nice. We made it past the hardest part. Woo! That's good.
Let's hope it was the hardest part. Oh.
Straight up the mountain.
Go straight, hoping should be good, no? Let me check how deep is it.
I mean, you can pass it. Oh my god. More mud.
Oh no, we'll not make it.
Oh, guys, I've been pretty quiet when we're in the car because I hope we don't have to turn back, but this is pretty tough, guys. This is really tough, and we're really at the middle of nowhere.
I think that would be already too much.
Yeah, it looks tough. I just said it to the camera. I said this looks really tough.
Yeah.
Well, guys, we tried, but I think we have to turn back because it's crazy.
Добрий день. Добрий день. Добрий. Там є проїзд на Рожанку?
Я не знаю,
Але ми не виїдемо тут.
Шла дорога.
Краще, ніж тут.
Я не у Шевроле їду.
Прошу?
Не в Шевроле їду.
Ага, то там наверх треба було їхати тою дорогою. Я не туди звернув, ну ясно.
This guy on the dirt bikes giving Orest some directions what to do. Either way, it's not gonna be easy. Yeah, this was a hard climb up, so let's see how it is going back down. Nice. Whew. That was that was a tilt. All right.
Okay, last try.
Let's try here. This is the one we didn't want to go up. Let's give it a shot, guys.
It's
sweating,
like
yeah.
pioneering.
It is.
Braking, going, looking for a passage.
Yeah, that was tough. That was really tough. I'm glad you made it. Good job.
Yeah.
You guys couldn't feel it in the video, but we tilted so much. Where Orest was like half a meter higher than me, and I was like, I hope this doesn't flip, but we'll see.
Look here.
But this road seems a bit more normal. Whenever I see houses, I feel more safe.
Yeah.
I feel like, okay, people are driving here. The only thing now, guys, is it's 6 p.m.
Ah, you have a train.
and my train leaves a little bit after 8. I think exactly 8:20. So we have 2 hours, and if we have to go all the way back to the road and go around the mountain, I'll miss it for sure, because we're even further than when we started.
Did you hear the sound?
And I hear something.
It's a car.
Is it your car?
Yeah.
Something's wrong. I can't tell what. Well, what's happening?
No, they told that there are. It can be tricky down there. So I think we leave it adventure for the next time.
Yeah.
We probably had enough adventures.
Okay.
It should be a time to be smart to stop.
Okay.
I
think we've had enough adventure, and quit while we're ahead. Because also we're hearing some scraping in the car. We weren't sure what it was. I wish I was running a train, but I don't know if we will even make it because it's already 6.
No, we might.
You think so?
We
Okay.
can catch it in other.
We'll see. Let's try. This looks really fun if you have a dirt bike, guys. Alright, guys. After a few hours off-roading, we're back to a normal paved road. How's it feel?
Wait. Oh.
Oh, so nice and smooth. What town is this? Where are we?
Your train. So basically, what we want to do, we need to go to Slavska,
Yes.
the mountain resort. Yeah, we were like almost here, almost reached, but for obvious reasons we had to pull back. And now, in order to get there, we have to actually go outside of the mountains and then come back, which means we'll be halfway to Lviv. So maybe we just go make it to Lviv.
Okay, okay. Alright. Hello.
Stones inside.
Of course. But yeah, according to the map, like going to this town, it's gonna be probably 2 hours, and we're barely gonna make the train. So if we're gonna drive 2 hours anyways, we might as well drive 2.5 hours to Lviv, and just life will be easier. So I'm gonna check the schedule. We'll start going there. See what happens. Now it's raining as well, so it's probably good we're not in the mountains. Back in the civilization. Alright, so actually, after all that driving, we're still 2 hours from Lviv.
That one was good. I see.
Okay, Kompot. So we can leave here. So we're at Cold Point. Oh, looks good. Oh, looks good.
Where should we sit?
Well, guys, we decided to take a little dinner break. This is the best water. This is kind of like the Ukrainian version of Bajormi. It tastes really good.
Все добре, незважаючи, що війна.
Дякую.
Тут типу цей.
So we got some kalemi, guys.
Во.
And nice,
Хорошо.
nice
Вже нам
soup.
їсти.
By the way, we got a local dish.
Зідзвонимось.
Really good.
Файно.
So we begin our 2-hour drive now back to Lviv. This cute little 3-legged dog limping around. And just in time for the sunset, guys. Back.
That would be nice when you leave the city.
All the way back to Lviv.
Guys.
It's 10:08 p.m. and we're back in Lviv near the train station. So I made it somehow. We really did make it, guys. But I thought I would be here like 1.5 hours early, but really, it's I would just go to the train.
Yeah, we did such a long stretch, but eventually timing worked fine, right?
Yeah.
And I think, so first of all, we did smart that we didn't go into the mountains higher when the thing started to be rough. And secondly, it means that we'll have to break through eventually. So I am waiting you, Johnny, back, and we'll try to challenge that hill from the other side. You know?
We'll see. We'll see.